How did you find my efforts English speaking confident? So, hey, what you doing, guys? I hope everyone will be fine. I think everyone will be fine. Say hello, boys and girls. So I go by Vikky, and you can call me Master Vikky. And today in this video, we're gonna discuss the how to speak in English confidently and fluently in your mind. First of all, and then sir guys, you will fancy this video and do the comment below and like share, just follow, and could you please hit the bell icon upcoming my videos. And then guys, today now I'm gonna talk about and how to create a sentence in your mind and then speak English and fluent in your daily life. So first of all, and today I would like to let you know that and we are gonna watch a movie Tiger 3, and we have a all family. But everyone says that and Tiger 3 movie is best movie for all film, and Ek Tha Tiger and Tiger Jinta Hai. And those movies also was best. And we are very excited to watch a movie Tiger 3. But I am most excited to watch a movie Tiger 3. But I don't have money. But I still will go to watch a movie Tiger 3. This is so adorable and stunning movie. So guys, my favorite actor in this movie, and I like Salman Khan's movies most that, and when Katrina Kaif is with him. Okay guys, tell me now, are you going to watch a movie Tiger 3? And do the comment below and write your special words. And okay guys, the fun of watching a movie in a theater is different experience. So guys, you got to watch it movie, and after that you have to tell me then how did you find the Tiger 3 movie. I watched a movie Tiger 3 after 3 hours later, and then whoa bhai, this movie is so stunning and adorable. And so guys, how did you find my efforts in English speaking? You can wait my new story in English. And then guys, could you please hit the bell icon upcoming my videos, and see you soon the next video, and bye bye.